Here's how wrinkles are usually removed from clothing photos using Photoshop. After choosing the tool to use, you need to zoom in and brush over each wrinkle to smooth it out with the mixer brush. It is time-consuming and can get really tiring on the hands, especially when you're editing multiple photos. And what's worse, even after all that effort, the wrinkles aren't always fully removed, they just look slightly softened. Here's a smarter way. On your browser, go to PicWish.com, find and select Product Retouch. Click Open Image to upload your product photo. Now, you can choose a background and set the retouching parameters according to what you think is best for your image. You can also use the Custom Exclusion Zone tool to mark the areas you don't want to retouch. After that, click the Retouch button. Just like that. Zoom in and move the image to see the before and after results more closely. From wrinkled to flawless. No more spending minutes brushing out every wrinkle. Try PicWish now.